How to create an offer details direct message. Sharing information about one or more offers with multiple partners can easily be accomplished using a direct message with offer details. Let's dive right into it. To start, we will open the hamburger menu on the left and navigate to the direct message feature. Here you will find the new message button. When clicked, you will be prompted to select General or Offer Details. Click on Offer Details. There are 5 stages when creating an Offer Details direct message: Offers, Recipients, Offer Content, Message, and Preview. The Offers tab is where you can select the offers that you wish to share the details of. You can simply click on the box on the left to select the offers, or use the filter button on the right to select your offers. Once offers are selected, we will move to the Recipient tab by clicking the Next button. As covered in another video, the Recipients tab is where you will select the partners to receive your message. You have the option to select a pre-existing list or manually create one specifically for this message. Adding a rule will filter out the list of partners, while adding an exclusion will exempt the selected partners from the rule. For example, you can have a condition to include all partners that can run traffic on the following offers, then use exclusion to not send the message to the selected partners from that list. The Offer Content tab is what differentiates the Offer Details direct message from a general direct message. Clicking on the brackets on the right will give you a list of offer-related macros that can be inserted into the message. Using this, you can share the details of the offer or offers in a streamlined format. Here is an example of what it can look like. Once done, click Next to move on to the Message tab. The Message tab is where you can include non-offer related content in your message. You can select the pre-made message template and schedule your message here. Macros that are not offer related, such as first name, email, and company name, are available in this step as well. Note that what we have configured in the previous step, Offer Content, is now compressed into the Offer Content macro. This can be incorporated into the content of your message. Here is an example. Once done, click Next to see the preview of your message. The Preview tab displays what the partner will receive in their inbox. You can click on a different recipient to see how the message may vary. Once the message is ready, click Send to send it now or send it at the scheduled time of your choosing. Now we have covered how to create a direct message with offer details.